Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a beautiful Ford Focus that we've taken in. So this is a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's the Ford Focus ST-2. This has got the 2-litre turbocharged EcoBoost engine in this with the cam chain on it. 247 brake horsepower, so it goes really well, this car. Finished in race red. It's got the upgraded Recaro half leather interiors. We'll show you that in a moment. We've got black gloss alloy wheels on the car. Lovely condition, this car. 67,200 miles from new. We took it in part exchange from a very careful owner. He's had it since 2021. A really nice example, unmodified, exactly as it should be. And what a colour combination. It just looks so good, this car. So let's show you around. ST grille on here, front spoiler a little bit deeper than the standard car. These lovely black 18-inch wheels on here. We've got Goodyear tyres on the front axle, we've got Michelin tyres on the rear axle, recent new rear brake pads and discs. Got this lovely exhaust tube with the chrome surround. Parking sensors, obviously ST badging all around on the car. I'll show you in the back here, all lovely and clean and tidy. Black interior. Down under here we've got the space saver spare wheel, tools, etc. All as it should be. And down this side, let's show you one of these wheels. Just come and have a look at this. These look fantastic. Look at that. Looks so good with the red exterior on the car. I'll show you inside. Okay, have a look at this interior. It's beautiful. So we've got half leather black with the red inserts, all Recaro interior in excellent condition. We've got heat insulating rear glass. Moving into the front here, full set of electric mirrors and windows obviously, but have a look at this seat. Superb, look at that. ST badging on there, Recaro badging on the sides, on the bolster there. Lovely seat to sit in, very comfortable. Let's just show you this passenger seat here as well. So as you can see, ST badging, Recaro badging. We've also got these lovely ST kick plates inside the doors as well. Right, let's show you around inside here. So we've got lovely leather bound steering wheel with the ST badging on here. We've got the controls on here for the phone and for the computer system. 67,200 miles. Along the top here we've got the extra dials here. So we've got the turbo boost, oil temperature and oil pressure. Important on a sports car. We've got the sync system on this, Ford sync connection system, which is great. So you've got Bluetooth in here, we've got navigation, we've got DAB radio.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
And moving down, we've got dual climate control. We've got a CD player in here as well, dual climate control. We've got a USB down here as well, 6-speed manual gearbox. And I think we've got another USB inside the armrest there as well. Show you under the bonnet. Here's the business end of the car. So, 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine here. The ST petrol engine, it's the EcoBoost model. So this is the one with the cam chain, and actually on this particular car the timing chain has been replaced recently. So that should be there for the life of the engine. 247 brake horsepower, loads of power with this car, great drive this car, lots and lots of fun and not a lot of money. Okay, we'll just run through that again for you. 2016 on a 16 plate. It's the Ford Focus ST2 5-door. It's done 67,200 miles from new. We have got 8 services recorded with this car. We've got 2 keys, we've got everything with it. It's unmodified. It's finished in, I think, the best colour, race red with the black wheels. Beautiful interior. Lovely, lovely car this. I really don't think this is going to be here for very long. Any more information, please do give me a call. It's Simon Shield. It's Simon Shield Cars Ipswich. It's 01473 658 091. Or alternatively, please do hop on the website. All the pictures, still pictures are there, pictures of the service history, it's all there, and that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.